Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing a laptop of HP and a cooling pad. So today's video will be an unboxing video, and this will not be only unboxing video, but I will also side by side with other tutorials. I will also bring unboxing videos of mobiles, laptops, AirPods, and other cool devices which are really fascinating and amazing and are really popular. So in today's video we will be unboxing an HP laptop and a cooling pad. So for the time being, let's move the cooling pad for our side because we will be unboxing it at the end. And let's start with the laptop. So let's begin, guys. So guys, let's have a look at this laptop. So this laptop is a HP laptop, as I told you. And just before guys I start with the unboxing, I just want to tell you that this laptop has been opened before, and by open it doesn't mean that it has been used. It means that by opening I mean the setting of Windows, because this laptop has a genuine Windows 10 home, so that is why I need to open it and set up all. But after setting up, it is the second time I'm opening again. So I hope you like the unboxing video. So first let's have a look at the specifications of this laptop. So guys, these are the specifications written on this laptop. So as you can see that this is a genuine HP laptop. I buy it from a certified seller on HP comp site. So it is not a promotion or something. I just want to tell you that if you want to buy a laptop in Pakistan, because I buy it from here. So this is an HP laptop and this is its model number. This is the model number. If you want to buy or interested in this laptop, you can copy this model number, and I will also give the link, some specifications and things in the description. So first of all, the CPU, or you can call the processor of this laptop, is of Intel Core i5 i035G1 processor. So I want to tell you that this processor is 4-core 8-thread processor, which is really good, and you can easily do a lot of work with this. Okay, so this is a processor. Then we have a 1 terabyte of hard drive. It is not an SSD, but it has a empty slot of SSD present in it where you can add an SSD. Then there is no optical drive but a SD card reader. Then we have genuine Windows 10 home inside it. Then we have this is the battery. This is a 3-cell 41 watt per hour battery. And then we have the RAM is 4 GB SODI DDR4 SD RAM. Then this is the this description of the display. It is a 15.6 inch HD LED display with 220 nits. So its resolution can be altered, and the max resolution is the UHD Ultra HD graphics. So actually I just want to tell you that this processor has integrated graphics, which mean that the processor itself contains the graphics, which are and those graphics are the 630 UHD Intel graphics. These are Intel graphics 630 UHD. So it doesn't need a graphic card, a dedicated graphic card. It already has Intel integrated graphic cards. So these are some things written. So it says that a multi-core is designed to improve performance because this processor is multi-core. So it's saying that it is designed to improve performance of certain software products. Not all customers or software applications will necessarily benefit from use of this technology. Performance and clock frequency will vary. So the frequency the clock frequency of each core in this processor is of 1 gigahertz. So performance and clock frequency will vary depending on application workload and your hardware and software configurations. Intel's numbering, branding, and or naming is not a measurement of high performance. For storage drives, GB, and you can read all of that. It's written. So, and the Windows can be automatically updated. So this is how the box looks like from one side, like this. Then here's which will be opening, and over here on this side is the model number, HP details. This is the serial number, and these are the details of the HP. And then on this side we have some fragile things and an Intel Inside sticker over there at the end. So now guys, it's time to open up the laptop and see from the inside how does it looks like. So I will be using a pair of scissors to open it up. And I hope you enjoy this video. So while I'm opening the tape, peeling off the tape, quickly like, share, and subscribe so that you get more unboxing cool videos like these. So I think it is stuck from here. Yeah. So finally the box is opened. As you can see, guys. Whoa. So I think that on this side are the adapters and the charging ports, and now there is the inside of the laptop. I will hold it like this because I think, yep. So I will just take it off, take it from outside. So it is well packed. So let's keep the box away for some time. So this is how let me just adjust the camera. So this is the laptop. It is covered with foam covering. Just let's take it off. I need to be extra careful now. Just take off these and just throw them aside. Now this is the laptop, and I think on the back side is another taping. Nope, the tape is opened. So now we take the laptop out from its wrapper, from its covering, plastic covering. You give me a second. I'll just peel it off, so because I really don't need it anymore. So now here's the laptop, the HP laptop. I'll keep the sharper aside, and this is what the laptop looks like. It's fine and it's matte surface finished. So let's talk about the ports. So on this side, on the right side, it has an SD card reader and two USB ports with the power port. Then on the other side, it has three ports. It has totally four ports. One is of a HDMI, the second is a Type-C USB port. Then we have a RJ45 Cat or Cat6 you can call port, which can be adjustable according to the thickness of the wire, like this, like an alligator mouth. And then here we have a headphone jack, which can be used by multi-purposes. It can either be as a microphone or a headphone jack. So guys, this was from the outside, and now it's time to open up the laptop. So I already told you that it's already set up. So but yeah, just like let's have a look at the back side too. So this is what it looks like from the back side. It has a Windows 10 genuine sticker with some more information, and these are rubber padding, so the corners are not damaged by screeching. So these are rubber padding, which is really beneficial for you guys. It is really helpful because it helps your laptop from scratches. So here's the key to laptop, and now I'll just move something aside. But before that, we talk about the laptop. Let's have a look at the power cables, the adapters. I'll just take the box out. The box is split inside it. So I think it has three types of wires. Yep, it has three types of wires. One is an adapter from the three mount terminal to a battery. We'll just keep this aside. Then over here I have another type of adapter with covering, so I'll just take it out of the plastic to show you guys. So it has a special encasing on its terminals. It's really good to carry your things. And like this, you have these cables, and then we have a charging brick. Let's have a look at the brick. So it is a 45-watt brick of HP. Then we have the connectors and this is just a simple plain black with a port on the other side, a male port. Now we'll keep the power battery sources on the other side, and now let's have a look from the inside of the laptop. So let's open it up. This is how it looks from the inside. As you can see, guys, there is let's just zoom in it a bit. So okay, just as you can see from here, that it has an Intel i5 core sticker. Then it has a HP Insignia and a webcam, a HD webcam, which is a kind of difficult to show you, but I will show you. It's like something over here on the top over there. Okay guys, so this is the power button, and the keypad is really fluffy type thing. It is a floating keyboard, floating keys, and they're really good, and they're very peaceful and comfortable in typing. So let's turn off the laptop, and it will, of course, it will start up. I've already, so it has started up. As you guys can see that it is starting up with HP Insignia. I'll just tilt the screen. So it is started up, and now as I told you that I've already set it up, so I don't need to set up the windows because they're already set up. So this is on the login page, and now we will enter our code, and I will show you it from the inside. So guys, as you can see that we have successfully logged in the laptop, and this is how it looks like from the inside. So it has a Windows 11, Windows 10 laptop, Windows 10 wallpaper. It has the folder, and then we have the recycle bin, the Microsoft Edge. So it is already set it like this, and this is the home button. And let's have a look at some things. For example, its performance. Let's go to taskbar and check out the RAM and more specifications in detail about this laptop. So we'll go to task manager, and then it will open up. Take some time to load, and after that it will zoom in, and I'll just help you guys to see more better. So guys, as you can see that the performance of this laptop, it is very for my users, it is very perfect, because it can successfully conduct all of the tasks which I require. For example, video editing, video production, and those things. So let's have a look at the performance of the components of this laptop. So let's see guys. So we'll go to the performance over here, which is showing. So this is the whole performance chart. So CPU, as you can see, the CPU is Intel Core TM-i5 i035G1 CPU with 1 GHz of frequency per core. So as you can see that on these detail over here, so the speed is 1.80 GHz. It cannot be overclocked. So it is showing something like this. I'll just move it away for some time. So as you can see, the detail that the processes it is conducting per every second is 189, and the threads are 2437, which are changing every time. So now there is some more information. For example, the base speed where it clocks the things is 1.19 GHz. Then it has one socket where the CPU is installed. It has 4 cores and 8 threads, like I told you. And the cache of this laptop is 6 MB. The L1 cache is 320 KB. Then in L2 cache we have 2 MB of cache, and in L3 cache we have 6 MB of cache. So this was the CPU performance. Let's go to memory. Then memory, so there's a 4, like I told you about memory, it is 4 GB, but the operational is only 3.8 GB, and the other 2.2 GB, I don't know where the system using it. So in use, so out of 3.8 GB, the laptop is only using 3.2 GB of RAM, and the speed is 2666 megahertz per, and you can see that there are 1 out of 2 slots used, which means that one slot is empty where you can install another stick of RAM, and the type of RAM is sodium and DDR4. So DDR is something which categorizes the RAM types. So let's go on disk. So I told you that this is not this is not SSD but HDD. So this is the model number of the RAM of the Shiba, and it tells us that the active time is 2%, and then the read and write speed is, as you can see below. So the capacity of this the total capacity of this disk is 932 GB out of 1 terabyte, because the other because out of 1,000, the and because the storage which is used, other than the 932 GB, is used by the system of Windows OS, so that it could install or could help itself in recovering if there's anything. So the capacity is 932 GB, and the formatted space is also 932 GB. So the type is HDD. So then now let's go to GPU. So the GPU is not used in any person because it is not required. So as you can see that these are the Intel UHD graphics, and this is the integrated graphics, Intel UHD graphics 630, and it has 1.9 GB gigabytes of space, and these are all the information which you can see below, and the 3D rendering, the video decoding, copying, pasting, and video processing. This will the percentage of the graph of this table of the graphics will increase when you watch a video or open a very highly detailed picture or something like that. So there is the place where GPU is used. Otherwise it can easily be done by the screen or the. So this was the video on the unboxing of this laptop. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now let's go, guys. As I told you that after we unbox the laptop, we will be unboxing our cool pad. So let's begin. So guys, this is our cooling pad. As you can see over here, I know that the video is also has already become very lengthy, but I just want to cover it also. So I hope that the next video will be on mobile unboxing, in which I will unbox a mobile. But don't worry, I will also keep up with the tutorials. I will also be posting unboxing videos and tutorial videos. So this is a cooling pad from a cooling company, and specifications are that it is that the fan is of 140 of fans. Then it is very super silent of 17.5 dBs per of noise it produces. It has a metal mesh panel, blue LEDs, and two USB ports to be connected, and angle adjustable with the rod. So let's unbox it and let's open it up. So this is how it looks from the inside. It has a USB to USB cable which can be connected easily to any laptop. So let's just keep aside. Then we have this rod to adjust. And now let's keep the box aside, and then I will show you by using it with the laptop. So as you can see that this is how it looks from the back side, and this rod is adjusted over here. For example, if I wanted to be like this, I will just close it and it will be adjusted like this or like this. So and then we have two clips to adjust the laptop so the laptop doesn't falls off. And don't worry and don't think that this will scratch, that these pads over here, that these clips will damage your laptop paint, because as you can see that on this side, you can see that there is a layer of foam applied over here. It is a foam plane which is not scratches or damages the laptop paint. So now and there are two ports, like I told you, two ports and one switch to turn on and turn off. So now I will show you by using it. So we'll connect the cable, this USB cable which came with it, into the port, and then we put it over here, and then I will connect it with my laptop. Just wait, guys. So guys, as you can see that I have turned my laptop, flipped it so that the way the USB port is, because the cable is very short. So as you can see that I have connected, and this is how it looks like. It is very good for cooling, and when I click on this switch over here, it will close down even though I have connected with my laptop. But when I just turn it off, turn it on, it will be all again working like that. And it is very sufficient, because you can put notebooks of 17 inches. You can also put notebooks from small size to bigger size to 17 inches as shown on the box. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Bye guys.